Okay guys, for this exercise of the CRP-5, we're gonna have the true heading, 133 degrees. We're gonna have two track, 144. We're gonna have true airspeed, 200 knots, and ground speed, 150 knots. We want to know the wind direction and the wind speed. To begin, to make things easy, we're gonna calculate the drift. The drift will be the difference between the true track and the true heading. The true track is 144, true heading 133. So the drift will be 11. And since the track is bigger than true heading will be 11 right. So now we will align the TAS, the center of the CRP-5 with 200 TAS, just like that. And we will put the heading to 133, our true heading. True heading pairs with TAS, and true track pairs with ground speed. And you can put them both, but the way I'm gonna put the center in the TAS, and then I'm gonna put the true heading. So the true heading will be 133 up here, and we're gonna have the TAS in the center. So now we have 11 degrees of drift. We can see the drift here to the right and to the left, and 11 to the right. And we have ground speed 150. To do this exercise, you have to mark the drift in the line of the ground speed. So you have to go down to the ground speed of 150 knots and then move to 11 right. That is our drift. And 150 knots, 11 right will be right here. So we're gonna do a little mark there. Now we can see. And now just to find the wind, the only thing that we have to do is go down into the bottom section, and basically we just have to put it, which is really hard. We just have to align. It doesn't matter where you put the center, but if you put it at the beginning, it will be easier to see. So you put the center at the beginning of the scale, right here. And now you have to put the dot that was previously on 133, and you have to align that dot with the center line. Once it is aligned, you'll see that the wind has a speed component of 60 knots. As you can see here, 60 knots. And then to see the direction of the wind, you go up and you're going to check the heading. We have 100 and we have 110, and it is almost 105. So finally, for the wind velocity, we have 105 degrees, 60 knots.